Infinite Personalities. Searching for the Stars. By John Oharenko.
Jackhammer. In hell there is no other punishment than to begin over and over again the tasks left unfinished in your lifetime. Gide. Jackhammer starts new projects with haste. Gotta get to work quickly, no time to waste. Jack will be the first one to the start, with his hammer take projects fast apart. Disassembling every brick, bolt and screw, a one-man demolition crew. Busting into any new construction venture, a totally exciting, and, wild adventure. Until, Jax heard another project just began. Jax stopped working here, with a change of plan. Immediately running off to the other project site, time to bolt out of here, in the middle of the night. Observation. Jackhammer starts everything, but finishes nothing. See Jack run everywhere, but wind up nowhere. See Jack, do Jack. Motto, have hammer, will do Jack.
Infinite Personalities. By John Oharenko.